guys, welcome back to our video lessons. This video is for grade 6 English. This is now the video 5 and we're going to do reading and vocabulary for unit 12 as a topic. And our reference is our student's book, Family and Friends 6, pages 113 to 115. And this is teacher Marissa. So for our weekly plan, it will cover 15, 16, and 19th of April 2020, and these are the lessons and the homeworks. Please be guided by the weekly plan. And our objectives at the end of the lessons, you should be able to review vocabulary and structures practiced previously, because we're going to have the last page of the student's book for unit 11. And number 2, read and understand the story. Identify and use adjectives for describing places, and identify silent letters W and H in certain words. So in unit 11, page 113 is actually a notebook activity, since activity 1 is a bit long for the answers, for some of the answers. So I suggest do the activity on your notebook. And here are actually the choices. It's easy to answer. All you have to do is write first a question in your notebook and choose which one here is the answer. And some of the sentences should be completed also with the words or phrases from here. Okay, and in number 2, this is actually a poem which you have to fill in. So it's easy to fill in with the words. You would just have to choose from the words inside this box based on the text for the previous poem that we have read. Okay, now let's proceed to page 114, which is now unit 12, which is holiday time. If you can remember, class, this one actually is a story about the kids who are in unit 10 and 11 are at the seashore to witness the sand sculpture competition, but then suddenly they saw a dolphin at the shore and they tried to help. And let's try to read it. This part, listen and read. Why is Libby so happy at the end? What happened to the dolphin? So, Tom, this is hard work, isn't it? Libby, keep going, Tom. We have to keep this dolphin wet. And then Tom, how much longer can it survive on land? And Libby, I don't know. I wish I knew. Tom, hey, that's Ed and Kate, isn't it? Libby, yes, and they're with Finn and a rescue team. Libby, do you think it will survive? The man answered, yes, I think so. It's a good thing you found it and you knew what to do. Ed, it's gone. Libby, I hope it's all right out there. And then the man said, it will be fine now. You saved its life. It will be busy finding its family again now. And then the next day they went back and they are curious what happened to the dolphin. And then Kate said, look, it's a dolphin. It looks very peaceful in the sea. And Libby said, fantastic. It's found its family and friends again. What a nice story, right? Okay, now let us try to do activity 3. Number 2 is the listening, but you can do activity 3. And I'm going to give you a few seconds to answer or to give the answer. And then I'm going to provide the answer for you. Number 1 is answered already. Tom is tired because he's been pouring water on the dolphin. Number 2, Libby is worried because she doesn't know how long the dolphin can live on land. Now, number 3. Take your chance to guess. Kate, Ed, and Finn arrive yes, with a rescue team. So the answer here is letter F. Number 4. They carry the dolphin. Where did they bring the dolphin? Yes, the answer is letter A. Back into the sea. And then in number 5, sorry, the man thinks, maybe you're right, the answer is D. The children saved the dolphin's life. Okay, number 6. The children see the dolphin with, yes, the answer is C. With its friends and family. Okay, now let's proceed to the next page. We will do activity 4. Now is lesson 2, and we're going to study words, which are actually adjectives. Okay. To remind you again what adjectives are describing words, okay, what we see, what we feel, what we hear, what we taste, okay, by the senses. We describe people, things, places, animals, and feelings as well. Now, the vocabulary words here are all adjectives. They are all describing words. Basic. Basic means not very comfortable with only the necessary things. What are the necessary things? Like food, shelter, clothing, okay, and water. These are the necessary or the basic things that we need. And it describes things, okay. Now, busy, full of people and activity, meaning when people are doing a lot of things, okay, that is describing places, or this is a busy school, or the school is busy, or people, the students are busy doing their project. Next is cheap, costing only a little money. Okay, when you buy something and it doesn't cost you much, meaning it's cheap, or the thing you buy is cheap. So it can describe things, place, or animals. Okay, like shoes, cheap shoes, or cheap dress, or a cheap entertainment area, or maybe you are trying to buy a pet. Okay, next, dog, boring or not interesting. Now it can describe things or people. Okay, and then expensive, costing a lot of money. Expensive is the opposite of cheap. Okay, it can also describe things and places and animals as well. And luxurious, very comfortable and full of beautiful things. So it can describe places or things. Oh, this hotel is luxurious. And then peaceful, quiet with little or no activity or without noise. Okay, it can describe a place, okay, or even a feeling of a person. Okay, next is stimulating, meaning interesting and exciting when something or someone makes you happy and do things. Okay, and it can describe things or places as well. So again, let's try to read each one. Basic, busy, cheap, dull, expensive, luxurious, peaceful, stimulating. Okay, now next, let's try to read in circle. Okay, number 1 is done for you. We had nothing to do. It was a very dull, stimulating day. dull. Okay. Number 2, the hotel was very basic, luxurious. It had a pool, restaurants, and very big rooms. So the answer is yes, luxurious. Number 3, it was very quiet and beautiful in the mountains. It was so busy or peaceful. Yes, you're right. The answer is peaceful. Number 4, we didn't have much money, so we found a cheap or expensive cheap restaurant. Number 5, I didn't have enough money to go inside the castle as it was very expensive. Number 6, the town was very busy. There were lots of cars and a lot of people, so busy. Number 7, New York is a very with lots of things to see and do. Yes, of course, the answer is stimulating. Number 8, our hotel room was very basic or luxurious. There was just a bed and a chair, so it is, yes, basic. Very good. Now, there are words, okay, with silent letters in them, okay, like silent W and the silent H. Like with the silent W, we don't say them. They are there, okay, together with the letters in a word, but we don't pronounce them or sound them out. Like right, no, wrong, snow. In silent H, what, honest, white, hour. So that's it. Those are some words with silent letters. For the no, actually, even the K is silent. Now, there are more like wreck, wrestle, wretch, honor, and air. Wreck means the remain of a submerged ship or boat. Wrestle meaning to struggle. And then wretch meaning to feel unhappy or uncomfortable. And then honor means dignity or when someone lives as a good person. And then heir meaning a successor for a position or someone who's going to inherit a family's property. And number 4, since the words are here, it's easy for you to circle the silent letter for each of the words. Some words are here and some are not, but it's easy to determine. Okay, just circle them. So that is the end of our lesson. Always stay home, be safe, and study, okay, with your family. This is for now. Bye.